You may have noticed that I have a lot of hair. And a cat. But since I have so much hair, I thought, hey, what if I tried to turn myself into a Christmas tree? So here's my idea. I take this cup and I put it here, and I think I'll wrap some of my hair up. I'm just debating whether or not this is tall enough for a tree, or if I should go just that little bit higher, just because why not? So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tape the cups together, and then, boom. She's a lamp. Clip, clip. I'm just separating the top half of my hair and the bottom half of my hair a little to see what I can cover the cups with, so that it looks like it's all my hair. We'll see how that goes. But anyways, a lot of this video is inspired by Scarlett O'Hare, and she does some crazy cool things over on Instagram. At least that's where I see her. I think she's on TikTok. She might be somewhere else too. But it's funny, I think I first saw her about a year ago, and I saw her doing some really cool, fun stuff with her hair, and I was like, man, that would be so fun. I wish I could do that with my hair. I'm just not very good at hair, and my hair not so much, and blah 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 blah. And then it just kind of hit me like, if I wait till I'm perfect at something, I'll never do it. So today, in the spirit of doing stupid things just to make someone smile, namely me, we're gonna see what I can get away with. Put on the cup, and then I kind of wrap it maybe in hair like this. Ooh, my hair's slipping and sliding. Uh-oh. I don't know how to do this. Yeah, I've got a decent amount of hair. I think that should work. This is not gonna go well. But maybe I need to switch gears. Maybe I should try wrapping it from the beginning. This might be smarter. If I do this, I'll have a lot less hair. But I might be able to secure it better. Let's just try it. This is hardly a I know what I'm doing kind of situation. Oh. This is a dear Lord kind of situation. Oh my goodness. Mayday, mayday. It fell when I went to go get the things. But it's fine. We have proof of concept and a knot. Okay, step one. Let's try and get the strands as covering, I guess, as possible. Hello. I'm getting nice and close because holding a mirror at the same time sounds brutal. Hey, hey. I'm gonna have to hold that while I spray, but that's okay. And let's spread out a little bit of that. Except that this is my life now. And hope that everything's good. I think that was pretty good. My hair's a little sticky, which is natural. No one judge the sticky girls. You can judge me though, because that I shouldn't have done it like that. Let's wrap it the opposite way. Yeah, that's getting caught on my ring. That feels wobbly. Just what I was going for. Who do you think you are, you bobby pin? I don't know if it's doing anything. I don't think it's even touching who it's... Ooh, I probably should have like spray painted these cups if I was gonna do this, but I didn't. Okay. That looks pretty dark. Hey, we're getting some coverage. How does it look in the back? I don't know. And I'm gonna pretend I don't care. How early do you think the Who's from Whoville get up to do their hair? Because this is silly. Can you imagine little Cindy Lou Who? Her mom getting her up at 3 a.m. like, oh, we gotta make sure you're prepped and ready to go to school. And they're just sitting a cup on her head and swirling and twirling it all the way up. What a wild ride. I like to sleep too much for that. This is fun once in a while. But if this were my life, it would be crazy. Makes me feel a little bad for Jim Carrey. I was watching an interview about him literally today. And in the interview, he was talking about how that Grinch suit was awful to wear, and they brought someone in and trained him on how to handle torture to be in the suit. And he was in it for like, what, 90 days? My heart literally breaks for him. He did a fantastic job. That's like one of my mental health movies. You know, The Grinch and The Grinch. Not the original one, but these two, they're my mental health movies. I can't explain to you why, just that they are. They make my life so much better. Oh! Oh, you can see that tape real well. I'm gonna have so much hair to donate once my wedding is where it is. Because I'll probably chop it all off right afterwards. We got a worm. We got a worm. All right, let's see what we can get. Okay. I have a random braid in there. Wild. Let's see what happens when I do this. But I haven't really figured out what I'm gonna top my little hair tree with, so I guess that tracks. I know, I probably should know. But the end result is gonna be more of a surprise to me than to you, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use it as a thumbnail. In the very least, this will look very Whovian. Not Whovian. Very Whovillian. I'll look like a Who. Even if my goal is to look like a Christmas tree. A dark Christmas tree, because my hair is what it is. And I did not bring any of that green temporary hair dye stuff, because this was a last minute idea that I got like yesterday. It was like, I should totally do that. That would be so fun. And right now I'm following through. I look like a candlestick. There are some people out there like, you're using too much hairspray. And they're correct. If you thought there was going to be more to that sentence, you are incorrect. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Trying to keep it loose at the bottom and tighter as it goes up to at least pretend to have that tree-like shape. I don't know, I probably should have used a cone-like item from the get-go. Oop. Gotcha. I know that my hair's not thin, but it kind of feels thin. Because like, anytime I use someone else's shampoo or conditioner, my hair just rejects life for a good, man, I really don't know how long. I'm struggling so hard. It really just rejects life for a good while. probably about a month, I'd say, before it gets back to normal. Like, it takes longer to brush and it's just really annoying. And so I've stopped doing that. But there was one grouping of time wherein I couldn't avoid it. I used someone else's shampoo and conditioner, and about 2 days later I had a massive migraine, and it didn't go down for about 2 or 3 days. So I was pretty much bedridden. Wouldn't you know it, my hair went from completely brushed to one giant knot. And it took me multiple weeks to get out all the knots. Did I miss it entirely? I did. But when I managed to get out those knots, it was literally insane because my hair was... I lost at least half of it. Maybe even 2/3, but it was probably just half, and I'm just exaggerating because, like, you know that feeling when you're like, oh, my hair is in the drain, or my hair is in a plastic bag in my fiance's car. It was unpleasant. My hair is still pretty thick, but in my head, I have like nothing. I have no hair. Let's wrap it like this. Nice and up there. Almost all of my pins are at the top. I probably should have more that are like cascading in the middle, but I don't know, man. It's being held up primarily by Tresemme. If you're looking at this and thinking, wow, that is not very tree-like, me too. If you're looking at this and going, honestly, that's pretty tree-like for someone who doesn't do hair, I appreciate you. All right, now is the point where I'm gonna speed through, do as much as I can in a limited amount of time so that we can get to the interesting part. You know, I don't know if I'd call it a tree, but maybe if I fluff it at the base. Now for the part I'm excited about. Glitter, gold glitter. That's Christmassy. That's Christmassy, right? Does it look like anything changed? I sure hope so. But the next part's my favorite part. I'm so excited. We gotta put in lights. What's a Christmas tree without light? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There we go. That's how you put in lights. This is the silliest thing I can think of. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's move this down here. This one here. And then the back, I'm refusing to show you guys, so it doesn't even matter. I think it's reveal time. And there you have it. I turned my hair into a Christmas tree. And I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Could it be better? Yeah. But you know what? It sure could have been worse. I'm just happy it lit up. I'll have to do something crazy next year too. Woo! That thing wobbles. So I hope you had fun with me today.